This is a summary video of a 4-video series showing a 2-ply system self-adhered over a clean, new plywood deck with a slight slope. This is going to be a bird aviary or a large bird cage, so we didn't want any nails coming through. And here's the 2-ply system so that the overlaps don't pile up. We tarped it off just to keep it dry, as it was in rainy season. So basically the second video is going to be drying in with the SA Plybase, self-adhered to the plywood deck, also back nailing it. Third video is going to be putting on the field cap sheet, and this is the method that I typically use down here in South Florida. We put the field on, then we put the drip edge on over the field, nail it in place, mostly due for wind, but also for shrinkage. And once the drip edge is on, we then strip it off with a 12-inch strip, cold process, and walking through that. So the other 3 videos are basically a long version of this process. Don't really focus on installing the drip edge and cutting the drip edge. That's in a different video, but it is part of this process. So the 4th video is putting on the drip edge and stripping it off. In the book, the construction details and the installation for the SA system, they're showing the field being installed over the edge metal or drip edge, and we're utilizing the old detail where we strip it off back from the torch down hot mop days. Here's a photo of some field shrinkage, and you can see the drip edge exposed, and this is actually on the same roof and just the other side. They say that this is caused by not letting the material relax. So out of the self-adhered family of CertainTeed flint lastic, we're using the Plybase for a base sheet and the SA cap, granulated cap sheet. 1-inch ring shank cap nails, 1 1/4 inch ring shank roofing nails, mostly for the drip edge. This is what I'm cutting the material with. It's a hook blade. This is the primer that I'm using. It's Lucas brand. There are many other brands. Lucas makes a quick dry primer that we like. This is the cold process adhesive that I'm using. It's Tamco product, but CertainTeed has several others. This is what they typically have at our supply houses. Using a margin trowel to spread out the adhesive, and also the snips are Midwest offset right-handed snips. While using a T-style drip edge, 26 gauge painted galvalume metal. So if you'd like to see the in-betweens, click on the links and go to the playlist or single videos.